Good morning. This is your weekly reading, weekend reading, sorry, for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Angels, please give me the correct reading for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for whoever is listening. If it resonates with you, I would be happy to hear it. If it doesn't, please check out other YouTube videos. And if you have any query for us, please get in touch with us. Details will be given down in the video. We'll be looking forward to hear from you. So, let's see. Your Friday today, it starts with the Ace of Wands. Saturday we have a Temperance. Wow. And Sunday we are having a Six of Wands. So let's see what you have in store for today. Let me first see why the Ace of Wands is there. One card clarified by the Page of Swords and the Lovers. So I would say that excuse me. Sorry. Okay. I would say that you have a sword and a wand here. Excuse me. I would say that, somebody, whoever I'm trying to talk about, is thinking about me. Okay, so it's a young energy who is going to, even though there is a lot of options given forward to you, from the universe, there is a young energy who is there, who says, it is somebody who is connected with you personally, because we have the Lovers there to give me clarification. So it's a young energy who is there, who is trying to contradict or is trying to give you an answer which is, which is not something that you do not like to hear. You probably are giving a lot of options to somebody, and you're waiting. After giving a lot of options, you're waiting. But that particular person, whether it is a he or a she, is you're waiting, but that particular person is not able to make up his mind or her mind on, by themselves. They got to talk with someone, they got to have some kind of a meeting. The Three of Pentacles have come. They have to think it out with somebody, then only they can give you a answer. Now let's see what popped up for the Saturday. A Two of Swords which has popped up. Temperance is like, you are in a holy thought, you're in a pure thoughts, you're in your Sagittarius energy, but you have to blindly don't trust someone. You are though you have kept the sword saying, this is a decision I need to make, but you are still guarded. You got to think before you make a decision. You have been waiting for some answers. I'm going to pull out two cards because they actually jumped out of this thing. Whoa. Whatever answer you are going to get is it's going to happen very fast, but it is not going to be very pleasant. It says it's a wand. Eight of Wands coming along. It jumped out together. It's coming along with the Five of Wands. So it's going to be like one more. I don't know why all the wands are there with a young page. So understand this is going to be not a pleasant week, if in case not a pleasant surprise visit if somebody is giving you, or some very fast it is going to come to you. Trust your intuitions. Think before you answer. You have been waiting for this. Good or bad, you have been waiting for this. Now, Sunday, it seems like you have a Six of Wands there. It seems like the universe is giving you a offer from nowhere. You are gloomy. The offer that is being offered to you, probably so many offers are there in front of you, but still one more offer is given to you from the universe. You have to think. You're not extending your hand till now to pull it up. You're not sure whether you should accept that, because it seems like the offer will be coming to you in the evening with a lot of the moon is there, so a lot of secrets will be with that offer which is coming. You also know that it is going to be and that also tells me it is coming very fast. That offer is also going to come very fast for you. So I would still say it looks like very beautiful. Looking from overall, it looks like an extremely beautiful week, but somebody who is going to make it beautiful for you, if they are trying mentally to do it also, they are not going to do it for a pure intention. They are going to do it for something which is going to benefit them. Okay, so I'm going to pull out one last card to see what is going to be your overall energy for this weekend. Come on, angels, give me one card to tell what is going to be your overall energy. The last card shows as the Fool, but there is not one, there is three cards which popped up in a sequence. I can see the Nine of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. A lot of pentacle cards here. So, I can see a king there, and a Knight of Pentacles is a lady, is a energy which says, I don't care, I have everything to live my life. Okay, so even if the King of Pentacles is coming forward saying that I am the king, I can make you happy, still you say, I don't need your assistance or you being besides me. I'm not happy if you're going to be cunning. So it says that you want to walk away, you want to leaving all the pentacles offers that is given to you. You probably say all the cups are upright, but still you want to walk away towards peace. So it is a good week. Like last time also I told you, everything can happen if you just give yourself a minute to think and then answer. And obviously it is, anybody look from top, you know it is an absolutely classic weekend for you. Make it beautiful. Don't let the negativity come close to you. God bless you all. Have a pleasant weekend.